This honker is the best kitchen of any fifth wheel on our lot. This is a Montana 3901 RK, and it's one of my favorite models on the lot. It's got a huge pass-through storage. You can walk right through this thing. On the other side, you're gonna notice this other storage. This is our basement. You have access on both sides here, a ton of storage room, and then in the back we have this big old Mo Ride slide-out tray. This tray supports a lot of pounds. I don't really know how many, but it's a lot of them. 800 pounds. 800 pounds in this tray. Slam latches on these. All right, let's get on inside this John. As you can see, it's rated for 4-season living. I'd say this is a pretty romantic camper, great for couples. Dual theater recliners across from this nice romantic electric fireplace. You got a JBL sound system that hooks up to surround sound all throughout the camper and outside. Elegant accent lighting all throughout this thing. If you want to bring guests, convert this to sleeping. Bada bing, now you got sleeping for 2 guests here. And then heading up the stairs, the real reason we're in this thing, this big old rear kitchen. We got mad counter space all around me. Every direction there's counter space in here. I like that I can cook up my 5-star meal and I still won't miss a second of the Lions game over there. We'll get them next week, boys. We got quite the hefty refrigerator over here. A ton of space in there, and then a big old freezer underneath that. We got loads of cupboard space in here. Huge oven. Wowie zowie. Do a 180 and you're in pantry city in this thing. Let's go to the front of the camper. The front is just as cool as the back. Through this door, we got a nice big spacious half bathroom. Really nice sink right here and a porcelain toilet down below. Up here, you got your control panel. And then below that, you got a nice closet. Up the stairs, we're going into our master bedroom. We got a king bed in here, some reading lights up top. And directly across, you got a wardrobe slide with a smart TV. Through this door, we have a master bathroom, another porcelain foot flush, big old shower with a skylight and a seat. Huge yours and mine vanity here. Oh, I love that sound! And then in here, my favorite part. Huge front wardrobe with, you guessed it, washer dryer hookups. So if you want to know more about this super duper awesome rear kitchen fifth wheel, leave us a comment or give us a call, 231-788-2040. Ask for April.